Hi everyone, and welcome to another episode of the Best Trade School Minute. Today we're going to guide you through the steps to become a surgical technologist or surgical tech in Pennsylvania. Surgical technologists play a crucial role in the operating room, assisting surgeons and ensuring procedures run smoothly. If you're detail-oriented, calm under pressure, and passionate about healthcare, this might be the career for you. Let's get started on the steps you need to take. Step 1. Education and training. To become a surgical tech, you'll need a high school diploma or GED. Next, enroll in a surgical technology program at a community college, vocational school, or technical institute. These programs typically take between 1 to 2 years to complete and result in a certificate or associate degree. Step 2. Gain hands-on experience. Most surgical tech programs include clinical rotations, where you'll get practical experience in real healthcare setting. This hands-on training is crucial for developing the skills needed to succeed in the operating room. Step 3. Get certified. While certification is not mandatory in Pennsylvania, it is highly recommended and can significantly improve your job prospects. The National Board of Surgical Technology and Surgical Assisting offers the Certified Surgical Technologist credential, which is widely recognized by employers. Step 4. Apply for jobs. With your education, hands-on experience, and certification, you're ready to enter the job market. Surgical techs are in high demand in hospitals, outpatient surgery centers, and other healthcare facilities throughout Pennsylvania. Step 5. Continue your education. Healthcare is an ever-evolving field, and continuing education is important for staying current with the latest practices and technologies. Many surgical techs pursue advanced certification or specialized training to advance their careers. Becoming a surgical tech in Pennsylvania involves a combination of education, hands-on training, and certification. With dedication and hard work, you can build a rewarding career in the health industry. Thanks for watching this episode of Best Trade School Minute. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more career tips and educational advice. See you next time.